my son has left the building, finally. He finally went on a play date. Yeah, he's a big clinger, as everyone knows. So now that he's gone, I'm really excited. I want to be the one unboxing and opening some squishies. He always hoards them all. He wants to do all the unboxings. I've never even opened one on my own yet since we got obsessed with it. So I have a bag with some new stuff that I got. I'm really excited to open it. So this one is supposed to be a color changing mango, and this one is a pudding that jiggles, but I guess it's stuck right now. Is it jiggling? Oh, it's like just lopsided in the box, but yeah, it jiggles. These are the SQUNCHY brand. They come from California. This brand actually makes lots of really cool stuff. So I guess I'll try these two for now, and I definitely want more. I also want to try their glow in the dark one. It looks so cool. Okay, so let's unbox. Oh, which one first? I don't know. It comes with a seal, SQUNCHY seal. Oh, I never get to do this. This is, I don't know, so weird for me and so exciting. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. I always love color changing things, so this one might be really cool. So they're all handmade, and they're supposed to be a higher quality, so they don't break as easily. It feels like a soft jelly skin. It's not like sticky like the Taba ones, but not quite like a TRP or the TPR, that thing. Not like the Neato ones either. Okay, here goes the squish. Crunchy. There's little plastic beads in there. There's some sharp edges. I don't know if the camera can show it. So I guess with these ones, you do have to be careful that you don't go like that and then put so much pressure in there. Ooh, you can see the slimy thing inside. See how sharp those are? I feel like that would totally pierce the skin. So these ones I think have to be a little bit more gentle with. Almost feels like an air dry clay inside. The squish is cool. The color changing thing though, I don't get it. I guess it's white inside. So, okay, not like super exciting, but it is a satisfying squish. So we have that one, and let's see if it just falls back into shape. So these are supposed to be recycled materials, and I guess better. I don't know what's better for the environment, because they will break at some point, but yeah, I guess it helps. Okay, so breaking the seal on the Jiggly Wiggly. Feels the same. Oh, wow. This one smells so good. Oh, I totally forgot to smell this one. Ah, they actually smell like what they are. And it's not an offensive, gross odor. No gasoline smell. Very almost natural smelling. It's not like that, like stinky, really super artificial smell. These ones actually smell like nice scents. Wow, that's a big bonus and surprise. Okay, yeah, so this smells like mango, like fresh mango, like mango slushy boba tea. Whoa, I'm so shocked. I haven't smelt one that actually smells really good and doesn't automatically hit my brain and give me a headache. Oh, whoa, because I'm super sensitive to smells. OMG, I had to make this follow-up video right away. I was uploading the video I just made, and then I was squishing away on the mango, and look, it turned orangey yellow like a mango. So earlier when I was squishing it and it was just green and white inside, I guess it really does change color, but you have to keep squishing it. And I think it's the warmth from your hands change the color. So it's not like when you squeeze it like some of the other ones, it's the color of the filling inside changes the color. This one is from heat. Cool, eh? No more green. Oh, a little bit here. Oh, I can't believe they make these so realistic. This one, oh, it smells so good. It's like almost like a rich, warm creme brulee, but this is supposed to be a pudding. Okay, here we go with the squish. Oh. So I think the inside is the same kind of filling. It's like that air dry clay with those plastic bits that are crunchy and has the sharp edges, I'm gonna guess. Yep, see them? So we gotta be careful with the skin. We don't want it to break. I'm just trying to see if I can smell the plastic smell. Okay, I do smell a bit of the plastic now, but overall, this smells so much better. Oh, okay, I do love these. They're cool. You can feel there's a quality difference, I think. It feels better made. And the seal doesn't seem like it's gonna pop off any minute. It almost feels like these would pierce first before the seal. Because we've had a couple where we've like just squished it a couple times. They were dumplings. And it wasn't the RMS brand, but then the seal just broke right away. And then my son got it, exploded all over him. I didn't even know that was a thing until then when it exploded on us. I looked it up and apparently it explodes on everybody. Oh, I love smelling these. Okay, so there you go. These are the SQUNCHY brand. I hope I am pronouncing them right. I guess I'll hang out with them. My son just went on the play date and took all our squishies. He took our whole box. I literally have nothing. So now I got two. Maybe I'll hide them from him. But no, I gotta share it with him because these are so fun and they smell so good. I definitely got to share it with him. Thanks for watching. Yeah, we're squishy obsessed right now, so I'm sure I'll make another video soon.